Yeah, you can see me, right? You can see me, hear me?
Yeah, I can see you, sir.
Okay, cool. Okay. So, before I start, I just wanted to know your feedback on the course. So, did you go through the entire course which I had given you?
Yeah, I have gone through the course. I
Huh.
have gone through the course. It is very good course. I have attended your training also.
Correct. Yeah.
So you are doing a fantastic job. You are much inspiration to all of us that we can
Okay.
make profit in trading. That is a
Okay.
big deal.
Okay. So now, are you done with your job or you're still going to the job?
I am still doing it. Is last week. I will
Oh,
be my last date is 31st March.
okay. Good. Good. So after that, you will be a full-time trader.
Yes, I will be
Okay.
definitely
So,
full time trader.
how has your trading experience been for the last
Right now,
after you taken the course? Yeah.
uh, experience was very good from the start.
Okay.
But just one day I have done a mistake. Matlab, I have not followed rules. One
Okay.
expiry day week from last week to last week expiry, I think.
Okay.
And just because I have not that 2% you have told me capital. If
Correct.
loss
Yes.
is more than 2%, you have to cut down all
Yes.
the things. But
Yes.
somehow on that day it was trading was happening in such a way
Sir, your
that
voice is
the
breaking.
problem. So I lost. Acha, my voice is breaking.
Uh,
I think there is
One second. I'll see whether my internet is
network
good.
issue.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Now it is clear, sir. You can go ahead. Yeah. Sorry. Yeah. Now it is clear, sir.
Now it is clear, now.
Yes. Yes. Now it is clear.
See, last to last. Now it is clear, now.
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
Last to last week expiry. I have traded, but I lost heavily on that day. One day loss was much bigger than my profits.
Oh, is it? Okay.
Whatever I have accumulated, but that
Okay.
was my mind was not working on that day.
Okay.
Matlab, I have not cut off my position on right time, and I
Okay.
have accumulated huge loss one day. That week last, and it was very very volatile on that day. Even
Okay.
last expiry 25th March also very volatile. Usually expiries are not that much volatile, but last two expiries were very much volatile.
Correct, correct.
It
Yeah,
was
they will volatile, but see, that is a non-negotiable rule. Irrespective of what it is, if you have a 2% loss, then there is no point in doing any adjustment. There's no point in doing any
yes, yes,
counter trades, anything. You just have to close it. It is not your day.
yes, yes,
Yes, I know it is very difficult. Even I have done this
yes,
mistake initially where I thought I will do something, now market will recover. But let me tell you, most of the times I have lost more than what I was supposed to lose.
yes, yes, yes,
Okay. So don't compromise in that. Yes, initially it will be very difficult. Cutting losses is the most difficult part in this game. Okay.
yes,
If
yes,
you
yes.
know to master that, let me tell you, you will go even more higher. I think by now you would have learned it, but it happens. Telling is
I've
easy.
learned a hard way.
Yes,
I've learned
exactly.
a hard way now.
Yes,
So
telling
I
all these
have
things is easy, but implementing is the most difficult thing. And by practice, you should be able to do this. Okay.
yes, yes, yes,
Okay.
definitely.
So now, overall, after you have started, are you in profit or in loss? Overall, I'm talking.
See, I was in profit. I was in good profit. I was making money.
Uh,
I was confident that I will achieve more than 4% per month. But
okay.
just due to one trade, I got into losses.
Okay.
Now I am overall losses, not in profit.
Okay. Okay, but that's okay. But don't get into the success, because here the problem in this business is one bad day will wipe out your 1 year or 2 years of
Yeah.
profit.
Yes.
Okay, so don't, just because you have made profit till now doesn't mean that you will make profit tomorrow also. But
Yes.
that's why I told you, have that non-negotiable rule, that 2%. Okay,
Yes.
if you have a bad day, 2%, Yes, you will end the day in loss, but it will not wipe you out of the market.
But that day, I don't know. It was accumulating losses. I was not able to digest MTM. It was increasing like a. I
Okay.
see. I have lost on 14,700 P.
Okay.
I have written off that 14,700 PT. I
Okay.
thought it was coming to 14,690. Then
Hmm.
I thought it will come because I have seen option chain also. Option chain, there were many writers on that day. But
Okay.
I lost confidence in option chain now. I
Okay.
don't
Okay.
trust option chain.
Yeah, option chain nowadays it's become very volatile. It is not as easy as it was before. Okay, because
Yes.
before now, because lot of them will hedge. For example, if let's say Bank Nifty is at 35,000. Okay, so now people will on expiry day especially they'll write 35,500, 35,600 in order to reduce the margin. They will buy 37,000 option. Okay, so now you
Yes.
will see highest open interest at 37,000. You will think that 37,000 is the resistance, but that will not be the resistance. Okay, so it is very
Yes.
confusing option chain. But as I told you, you follow the rules, no matter what, you will
Yes.
come out successful.
Yes. Yes.
So if
Definitely.
you had cut your losses at 2%, probably you would still be in profit today.
Yes. Yes. That was my biggest mistake. I've done
Exactly.
my big.
So have that non-negotiable rule: 2%. Cut it. No matter what, it is not your day. It is not your week. You cut it and you move. Simple.
Yes, 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 definitely.
That
Now I will follow that.
no,
It is
you have to follow
non-negotiable.
that. Now that you can't compromise. You if you want to
Otherwise, I will get out. Otherwise, I
exactly
will be
exactly.
wiped out
So
from the market.
if you want to reduce your volume, you reduce. If you want to change your strategy, change. No matter what you do, 2% is a non-negotiable rule. It should be a
Yes, yes,
non-negotiable rule. You have to implant this in your brain, in your mind, in your subconscious, everywhere. जब भी आप 2% नुकसान देखोगे, नो मैटर व्हाट, बंद कर दीजिए उस दिन. जो
बंद
भी
कर
होगा
दूंगा.
बाद में देखा
Yes,
जाएगा.
yes, yes, yes,
Okay, your hand should automatically go to control a square off the moment you see 2%.
yes, yes, yes.
ये आपके दिमाग में लगा दीजिए. ये अगर ये
नहीं
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 लगाओगे ना
वो
तो बहुत मुश्किल होगा. ये आप
मार्केट से
अभी
आउट हो
सीख
जाएंगे.
गए होंगे आप अभी.
Yes, yes, yes,
तो ठीक है चलेगा अभी. ठीक है अभी यू आर नॉट आउट ऑफ द मार्केट. But now that you have been a full-time trader, now your responsibility also has increased.
yes, yes, yes.
Okay, so
Now I will not do that.
exactly. Now don't do that. And so, which strategy have you been using in trading on for positional or intraday or whatever?
Yeah, I am intraday. I am doing actually delta neutral strategy. Like I am selling call option, put option of same delta. And if
Okay.
market is, matlab, I am starting from as low as 0.1 delta,
Okay.
matlab small premium.
Uh-huh.
Then I see that I'm, at the start I'm using only 20% of the money.
Okay.
Then next move at 11 o'clock, I'm deploying 20%
Okay.
of the money. Then 20% money at 12:30 around,
Okay.
and rest of the money after 1:30.
Okay.
So after if move comes after 1:30 or 2 o'clock, then I will be in slightly trouble. But most of the time, if move is not coming after 1:30, big move is not coming.
Hmm.
Normally on Wednesday, I have seen that big move comes,
Okay.
especially on lower side.
Yeah.
So I think it is a good strategy, delta neutral strategy, and
Okay.
it is non-directional. So I'm getting 1.5% or 0.4%, or sometimes even if theta decay is more, like on Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday, I'm getting even Tuesday, Wednesday, I'm getting 1% also,
Okay. Okay. So you are
0.75 to
talking about
1%.
intraday strategies mostly.
Intraday strategy.
Okay. And are you doing any positional trading or positional strategies?
Positional trading, actually, this concept comes to me from positional trading only, because
Hmm.
I was doing iron counter, and every time iron counter, it is getting, because market volatility is so high,
Correct.
200, 300 point. So to avoid those losses, I have shifted from where I was making profit. I have
Okay.
shifted up. Suppose in call position, I am getting losses. then I'm putting shifting that, as you told me, keep put
Okay.
go whatever in profit position you have to increase
Correct.
the size or something. I have used that only, and I have changed it to intraday because I don't want to continue it for next day because it was a big
Okay.
gap up, big gap down. Gap up, gap down is giving heavy, matlab, I
MTM
think
losses.
loss.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. So you want to concentrate more on your intraday strategies, right?
Intraday also, I am thinking now positional also, but
Okay.
only problem is gap up, gap downs are very high. Matlab, gap up, gap down is very high, and
No.
especially if it is on the gap down side,
Hmm.
then put position na put prices are increasing like anything. Even
Correct.
calls are not increasing that, but put is very dangerous.
Yes. Yes.
What
Yes.
I observed is put writing is very dangerous.
Yes, yes. It's always the gap down fear which is most dangerous because when our
Yes.
market goes up, it will not go too much. But even if it goes too much, there will be some correction. But when falling, you don't know to what level it will fall, depending on the news,
Yes.
depending on the event. So you need to be really
Even
careful in
10
that.
rupees, 7, 10 rupees put price is going to 35, 40, even 65
Correct,
rupees
correct.
also.
Yes, yes, yes. Now, especially VIX is more than 20 now. So whenever VIX is more than 20, it is slightly dangerous to play in options.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay, so now as you are also trading under my franchisee, so now is there any problem which you are facing other than that brokerage refund which you are expecting? I thought you have
Brokerage
got that.
refund, brokerage refund is in my Babi account. I
Uh,
am only operating that
correct, correct.
account
Yes, I I
because
I I am on it. So probably in this week everything should be settled.
that is
I thought
actually
it is over, but after
it
sir
is
called me, I came to know that it was not yet over. So I am on it. Don't worry. Why by this week we'll settle everything. Okay.
in
Okay.
no problem in only in IFL now. Actually, Nest is good,
Hmm.
but when we bring it from mobile app now, it is actually so many position when we are selling or buying now. So
Correct.
it is not actually telling, matlab it is going in holding position. So MTM, we are not able to find out whether we are in profit. Matlab, I will come to know through manual, but
Correct.
that there is a IFL mobile app is not that great, I think,
Sir,
compared to if
in another
you
1
are
week you
comparing
will
with
be on
other.
book and trade. Okay.
Yes.
So you are anyway in front of the laptop. So why do you want? Frankly speaking, I have not even installed IFL app in my mobile.
Yes,
Okay.
yes, yes.
I don't need it. Yes, I agree. It's not a great app, but
Sir,
you
but one
can't get
thing I have
everything.
to ask you, because I will be doing in my, I have one laptop, I will be doing in this, but for my brother, मतलब
हाँ,
मेरी भाभी का जो अकाउंट है,
हाँ.
उनके लिए मैं फिर क्या उसमें मतलब ओडियन सॉफ्टवेयर यूज करूं, क्या करूं, मतलब कैसे करूं
उसके
उनका
लिए
ट्रेडिंग?
मैं आपको XTS दे सकता हूँ. तो मैं आपको XTS दे देता हूँ उसके लिए.
एक्सटीएस ओडियन नहीं मिल सकता? ओडियन,
ओडिन
ओडियन
शायद नहीं मिलेगा आपको. XTS नहीं. सी XTS एंड नेस्ट आर ऑलमोस्ट इक्वली सेम. ओके. So you can
सॉफ्टवेयर।
try with XTS. XTS is also good one because in one system it's you can't install two Nest. You can't open two Nest applications.
ओके ओके ओके।
Okay, so you can use Nest. Or one more thing, what I can tell you is you try installing Nest again in a different folder. Okay, so
ओके।
now you have installed a Nest, right? So sir, I'm not able to see you. So have you switched off your
नहीं
camera?
नहीं, आई हैव नॉट स्विच्ड ऑफ, आई हैव नॉट एक्चुअली, 1 minute, 1 minute।
Yeah, yeah. Now I can see you. Yes.
Okay.
Okay. So try installing Nest in a different folder. Create a new folder and try installing it there and opening two of them. So if that works, good. Go ahead. I can give you Nest. Otherwise, I can give you XTS if that doesn't work.
Okay, okay.
Okay, you just
First,
try.
I will start whatever you are telling XTS, whatever software that is. I will do it from that only.
Yeah, if
Because
that
I
is
have
there,
to
you will not have confusion because it will have a different theme. It will have a
yes,
different.
yes,
You can do Alt Tab and you can trade. Yeah. Because I used to
yes,
do
yes,
this before.
yes.
Okay, so I can give you XTS. XTS is not a big problem. Even that's a good, great software. See, if I am recommending you, don't even think, blindly use it, because I have used most of the tools in this field.
Yes, yes,
I
yes,
have
definitely.
lost because of some bad tools. So only 3 terminals I suggest to my clients and my students: a Nest, Odin और XTS. इसके अलावा मैं और कुछ
Yes,
सुझाव भी नहीं देता हूँ.
right, right.
So XTS is good. You can use it. You can blindly use it. It's as good as Nest. Okay. So now let me just ask you, in the course, what was that wow moment which you had? So what was that one moment which made you think, yes, this is what I needed exactly?
Actually, it is all good war moment, whatever you, matlab, psychology of that, matlab, psychology point of view,
Correct.
whatever you are told, that is very, matlab, actually, more than the trading strategy, it is psychology also, which is more important, and you have to be more, matlab, it is very, very, actually, you have to be mentally very, very tough
Exactly.
while doing it.
Correct. See, it's not the strategy which will give you profit. Let me tell you. First, you have to have a good mindset. Then you should learn
Yes.
risk management. Then comes strategy and implementation. Okay.
Yeah, risk management is okay. Money man, position sizing is also important. Only
Correct.
thing I
No,
have to
position
keep
sizing, these are all part of the risk management.
risk management. Yes, yes,
Correct.
yes.
So you master this, then you concentrate on strategy. So that's why I told you 2% is a non-negotiable rule, which you have to follow it.
That is the, yes, yes. I have to follow it.
Yes. Now I think you
Otherwise, I
have
will.
learned it in a hard way, but that's okay. It's a part of the game. Yeah. Okay.
Achha, only one strategy which you are shared with us in your Telegram channel on that day, that you are earning 1%. You have sold, I think, 14,800 straddle, and
Correct.
then you manage it with 14,400 call option and put option. But why you have used that? Matlab, I don't understand, because it
No,
was
it,
because 14,400 P you have sold it at rupees 22 only.
okay.
So it can maximum go to zero.
Yes.
So your profit was limited on that 14,400 P.
No, that is an averaging
What is
strategy
the
which I do.
logic behind that?
See, with the 2 lakh capital, that is the max you can do. You, because I told you in my Zerodha account, I'm currently having 2 lakh capital. Okay, so this is
Yes, yes.
for educating people whose capital is low. Okay, so I want to show them that even with 2 lakh, you can make pretty good returns in trading.
Yes, yes, yes.
Okay, so I have one strategy. I have one adjustment strategy. If both doesn't work, I put a stop loss and exit. That is the entire strategy, because I don't have more margin in that account to add more legs in that
Yes, yes, yes.
trade. So that's why I do these kind of strategies. So I will be coming out with more simple strategies for now, because most of the people did not understand what I was trying to do. So I am trying to come out with simple strategies where people can understand and they can implement it right away.
Yes, yes.
Okay. So, do you have any doubt or any feedback for me in that course, or any improvement suggestion which you
No, no,
want to give me?
you are perfect, sir. We cannot give you, matlab, you are much perfect.
No, no,
We have to only learn from you.
no, no. Okay.
Because only thing is, it is we need your guidance, support. Because
Definitely.
I
So
also want to
we
become
have a
successful
weekly
trader.
call, so you can come, and if you have any doubt, you can post it there, and I will definitely be there behind you to support you in your trading journey. Okay.
Acha, I just want to ask, you have in your channel, you have written ratio spread on April, that is running on good
Correct.
profit.
Yes.
So what exactly you have done?
Yes.
Because these are the things
Uh,
I want.
Ratio spread. I think I have bought 15,000 call, and I have sold 15,200, 300, 400, 500 calls.
Okay.
So in the
Okay.
ratio
Okay.
1:5, I believe, if I'm not wrong. I don't
Okay.
remember. I need
Okay.
to check it.
Mhm.
Okay, now markets fell recently because of that. And since I had done it 45 days before, now new series has started. So there has been a immediate theta decay which has happened. So because of which I have got a wonderful profit. I think I even closed it yesterday. I don't remember. See, I do this in multiple accounts, so I don't remember
So
what
how much
strategy I have done in whose
how
account.
much ROI you are getting in that?
ROI is approximately 2%, if I'm not wrong. 2%.
2%, 2% on how many days? The 15
In,
days period?
in probably 15 to 15 days. Yeah, not more than 15 days.
Okay, okay, that is good.
Yeah, that is really good for me.
Only thing I want to ask, in this market, it is so volatile, 200, 300 point.
Yeah.
So butterfly, how do you think butterfly will work now?
No, it is
Butterfly.
working. I have butterfly strategies. Okay, let me just
So
show you
you
my butterfly strategies.
every Friday you are doing that butterfly?
Yeah, that is, I told you I do that every day. I mean, every week. I can show you that. Wait 1 second. How I'll
But
just
you are doing adjustment. You are doing adjustment and making it profitable.
not much adjustment is required. See, let me show you that. 1 second. Are you able to see my screen now?
No, not now.
Okay, now.
Yes, now. Yes,
Uh,
yes, now.
yeah, 1 second. 1 second. Let me just. Now you are able to see, right?
Screen, it is coming as blank. Actually, nothing is coming.
1 second. I got it. What is the issue? 1 second. Just give me a moment. Okay. This is shared. Okay. Sorry. Yeah. Now you can see, right?
Yeah, now I can see.
Yeah. This is the butterfly strategy. What I have done. See, I have done 8 sets. So don't consider 8 set. I have bought 14,700 call. I have sold 40 lots, 14,900. Here I have taken a gap of 200. Okay. In my tutorial, I have told you take a gap of
100-point gap.
exactly. But now because markets are volatile, you will have to take
Oh,
200 or 250 per point gap.
right, right,
Okay.
right.
So see, now whatever I told in my tutorial, it is not a hard rule which you have to follow. Okay. It is
Yes,
more
yes.
like a guidelines. So
So
now,
range has increased.
sorry,
Range has increased now.
sorry, I did not
How much
understand.
the
What? I am not able to hear you, sir. Can you repeat?
is the break even range has increased now
Yeah, see
after
here,
doing
you
that?
can see the graph, right? See here, the break-even
It is
range is
1,000 point,
14,000 to
900 point. Yes,
14,900.
yes, yes. And profit, how much is the
See,
profit
already I
percentage?
am sitting with a profit of 52,000 on a capital of 50 lakhs, which is almost 1% in one day. I implemented this on Friday, that is yesterday. Yesterday morning,
So one day you are, acha, yesterday theta decay was very good actually.
exactly,
I
yes,
think
yes,
yes,
yes.
yesterday theta
Yesterday's
decay was
theta decay
very
was
good.
good. Because of that, I am already having a profit of around another 50,000 for a capital.
1%. Yeah. Yeah, great, great, great.
Okay, so now see, depending on the market condition, sometimes you will have to take 100% point gap. Sometimes you will have to take 200 point gap. Sometimes you might have to take 250 point gap. So depending on the market
Yeah.
situation, you will have to take the gap.
Yes, yes,
Okay,
yes,
so this
yes.
is exactly the butterfly strategy what I've implemented. And let me tell you, I implement this every week without fail. The gap will vary. Sometimes it will be 100, 200, 300, depending on the market movement.
Sir, my thinking was blocked on 100 points, so I did not create
Exactly.
innovative mind.
Yeah, now
So
I think you have understood it, so you can start implementing this.
yes, yes, yes,
Okay.
definitely, definitely, I will now.
Okay. Yeah.
I
So
will do that.
that's what. If you, that's what. In my tutorial, some people also told me that 100 point is what you told. Probably I'll have to change that video. Okay. I forgot to tell them to change this gap based on the market movement. Okay.
So
So you
what
can.
you have done, one minute, you have done 14,700, 14,900, 15,100, 14,003, 1, 13. That is butterfly. Then you have done 14,000
This is an
and
extra what I just added. So I had margins in my account. So instead of simply keeping it live, I just sold 14,000 and 15,000 call option, call and put option. You ignore this.
okay.
Okay, wait, let me just delete this. This is butterfly. This is exact butterfly what I have done.
Achha. Then your profit is still it is 0.8%. Because of that, your profit has increased by, to 1%.
Exactly, yes.
Yes, 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 definitely. Yes,
See,
yes, but
let me
break-even
tell
point
you,
are good.
let me tell you one thing. In this market, you don't have a hardcore formula to follow. Okay, जो
Yes,
आज
yes,
काम
yes.
करेगा इसका मतलब ये नहीं कि कल काम करेगा.
Right, right, right.
आज काम किया बस उसका काम ही
Bus.
काम. Tomorrow you will have to implement, you will have to adjust and tweak the system based on the market condition.
Right, 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 right.
Okay, so now I think I gave you another wow moment that you can do 200
Yes,
point
yes, definitely. Yes,
strategy.
yes.
So this is how you will have to do. So whenever you have any doubt, you post it in our Telegram group or you can WhatsApp me. I will give you my feedback on that strategy, whatever you are going to implement.
Yes, yes, yes,
Okay.
yes. Yes,
So
definitely.
okay. So is there anything else you want to discuss, sir?
No, I will take guidance from you.
Sure.
See, market, there are a lot of confusion. So
Yeah, it happens.
definitely,
See,
you
when
are
you
the
are new,
master
it will be
now.
a
You are
confusion.
doing it for last. I think you have it. I think it is more than 5 years experience you have. So
Correct.
you are master. So we have to learn from. We have to use our brain also, and we have to, matlab, take your mentorship
Definitely.
also.
See, when I started, I learned from my mentors. Okay. Now I am teaching my students, and for I can tell you, many of my students are now into full-time traders. Like you are one of them. Okay. So there are many people. So I want to form a group where we can take trading to a new level.
Yes.
Okay. So I
Sir,
hope.
if you don't mind, can I ask you what is your mentor name? Who is your
No, I
mentor?
have had many mentors. I have learned from many people. So it's not one person. As I told you,
Oh,
I have spent more than 10, 15 lakh on learning. Okay. So
training.
whatever you have learned from me is, I can tell you a consolidated knowledge what I learned in all my years.
Yes,
Okay,
yes.
so you can blindly follow whatever is being taught. If you have any doubt, you can definitely consult me. I will definitely be there behind you. So as I told you, see this butterfly, you did not have an idea that you can do with 200-point gap.
Yes, yes.
Okay, so now this is a what do you say? A mind-breaking idea which you have got. So you can implement this blindly.
Yes, yes, definitely I will implement this.
Correct. Yeah. So you can
Yeah, I
just
will.
see. It's again, I'm not telling do it with 200. Tomorrow, probably you may have to do it with 150. Tomorrow, you may have to do it with 300, depending on the market condition.
Yes, 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 yes.
Okay.
Because our on that whatever you have taught on our, my thinking was restricted. Ki we can only do
Okay.
400 point. I did
Okay.
not
Yeah, probably I missed that. So from
experimented it.
now on, I should include that also. Yeah.
Yes, yes, yes.
Okay. Okay, sir. So I
Okay,
think
sir.
I don't have anything else to discuss unless you have anything.
Nothing. Only I think actually I'm reading your blogs and all, and I'm getting the idea. I
Okay.
will definitely, whatever strategy you, we are your matlab Nifty December group we have.
Correct.
So whatever new ideas you are getting, at least you should discuss with us, because
Definitely.
we are
Definitely.
your student.
Exactly. Yeah. Yeah. Definitely. Definitely. Yeah.
Yes, yes.
Okay, okay, sir. So
Okay.
I'll cut the call. So I'll end the session. So whenever you have anything, you can definitely reach out to us.
Yes,
Okay.
yes, definitely,
Okay.
sir.
Okay.
Yes, yes.
Thank you.
Thank you.